Hi, my name is Grace Lee. I'm a senior at Claremont McKenna College, and I'm here to discuss Proposition 55, an initiative to continue current tax rates for high-income taxpayers. 4 years ago, voters approved Prop 30, a measure that temporarily increased, among other taxes, the income tax rate on high earners, those who make more than $250,000 per year. For those making $1 million per year or more, the income tax rates increased to 13.3%, the highest rate in the nation. This increase in the state income tax was set to phase out at the end of 2018. Proposition 55 would extend the temporary income tax rates on high earners for an additional 12 years until 2030, designate approximately half of the revenues generated to K-14 education, and create a new budget formula that would set aside up to $2 billion per year in new spending on the state's Medi-Cal program. Supporters say that Prop 55 would maintain current income tax rates and ensure that the wealthiest Californians pay their fair share. They also say that Prop 55 would provide needed money to schools. It would restore the funding that was cut during the recession and also protect against future cuts. Supporters of Prop 55 include the California Democratic Party and the Coalition of Public Employee Unions and Healthcare Organizations, from the California Teachers Association to the California Hospital Association. Opponents say that Prop 55 violates the spirit of Prop 30, which was meant to be a temporary tax increase. They argue it is not needed because the state now has a budget surplus and education spending has grown by $24.6 billion since 2012. They also say Prop 55 would increase California's reliance on high-income taxpayers and risk driving some of them out of the state. Opponents include the California Republican Party, California Taxpayers Association, the California Chamber of Commerce, and the National Federation of Independent Business. Voting yes on Prop 55 would extend the temporary income tax rate increase for 12 years for high-income taxpayers that voters adopted in 2012. Approximately half of the revenues would go to education, with additional money to healthcare. Voting no on Prop 55 would allow the temporary income tax increase adopted in 2012 to phase out at the end of 2018. For more information on Proposition 55, check out roseinstitute.org and these other sites.